Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Cbsetak.org, real or fake. Here you will see I am in the Scam Advisor official website. Here you will see is Cbsetak.org safe or scam? Here you will see likely to be legit. Trust rating is high. The trust rating of Cbsetak.org is high. Here in the down, in the left side, you will see the trust score. The trust score of this site is 76 out of 100. Now let's look at the positive highlights. First, this website has been received mainly positive. Second, they found a valid SSL certificate. Third, DNS filter labels the site as safe. And now let's look at the negative highlights. The identity of the owner of the website is hidden on WHOIS. And this website seems popular, but is also young. So here you will see the positive and negative highlights of this site, cbstack.org. Please read the independent reviews carefully and also read the advantages and disadvantages of cbstack.org very carefully. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.